Women's employment is essential for growth, productivity, and achieving Viksit Bharat goals. India aspires to become a developed country, Viksit Bharat, by 2047, yet youth unemployment is already double the rate of 2012. India, especially the government, may be forced to recognize the weakness of India's economy due to the West Asia war shock. However, weakness predates this exogenous shock. Policy induced shocks from 2016, demonetization, a poorly designed goods and service tax, NBFC's COVID 19 pandemic management to the economy had already reversed structural change, rise in farm employment, falling manufacturing share of gross value added, and in employment. Non farm job growth had slowed, the economy became more unequal, and hence aggregate demand collapsed, and with it, investment GDP ratio. So, GDP growth is much slower, even if government figures of 6.2 percentage per annum are believed. It is actually at best 4.5%, as the former chief economic advisor recently argued. An engine of growth. Further, India's growth story will remain incomplete without increasing the work participation rate (WPR) of half the population, that is women. In a new study, we estimate that a 10 percent point increase in India's female WPR could add nearly 2 percentage points to GDP growth, making women's employment one of the strongest drivers of economic growth. To sustain rapid growth of 8 to 9% and emerge as a global economic power, the nation must harness the immense potential of its youth, especially young women. Increased female WPR could contribute to economic growth in multiple ways. First, it increases the overall labor supply, thereby expanding productive capacity. When more women enter paid employment, household incomes rise, consumption increases, and savings improve. Higher household incomes also lead to a better nutrition, education, and healthcare for children, thereby strengthening long term human capital. Women's work participation can also improve productivity and innovation. Based on cross country evidence, Nobel laureate Claudia Golden argues that gender diverse workplaces are often more efficient, creative, and competitive. Including women in the workforce is not merely a welfare measure but also a strategy for enhancing national productivity. However, the work participation rate (WPR) of women in India remains below 30%, among the lowest in the world, comparable to that of countries such as Saudi Arabia and Yemen and West Asia. India's female labor force participation rate is low by international standards, even when compared with countries at similar levels of per capita income. Worse, it declined steadily between 1983 and 2018 as overall job growth in both the farm and non farm sectors fell between 2012 and 2018. How did women fare? This is a critical question, especially since women are now much better educated than earlier. Decline in women's work. In the 1980s and during the early 90s, the WPR for women was high.